Seen something crazy in the sky. It was a lightning, and then it stood pink. It was just dingy out here, all brown. It was like a lightning, and then it was like all the dark clouds were lifted with that lightning took. It was straight caught up, Joe. And I ran to the door instantly. I already know Christ about to crack through them skies any day now. I'm trying to stay on point. Gotta stay at the front line as a watchman. Gotta try to stay on 10. Gotta keep this young oil in this lamp. You heard? Gotta keep oil in this lamp and be ready for the return. Everybody around me been warned, advised, repent now. Christ sends us into people's lives as messengers to plant that seed. We don't know who else Christ sent in their life. You know, God could have been sending multitudes, but we just plant that seed and keep it moving on to the next appointment. Every appointment, every confrontation, everything is all divine appointment. It's all on time. We serve a God that's on time. You heard it. He about to crack through them skies. The word says the time will be cut short for the sake of those elected. For the sake of the elect. If not, all mankind would disintegrate. All mankind would die. So we just gotta keep it moving, man. A lot of times I done broke myself down trying to figure out God's plan and what He's thinking. Man, that is not for me to do. I am a servant. Once I gave my life in, I became that sacrifice, and I became a servant. All our moves and everything in our life is all appointed timing. So make sure you get that good word and share that gospel and plant that seed and know where to cut the line. Know where to cut the line. We're not there, you know, we're not in there to find common ground with them and politic on that, man. We there to plant that seed in that dirt and keep it moving. You know? Got a lot of time. Yeah! A lot of times we walking in quicksand. And if you ain't got these gospel shoes on, you're about to sink. Yo! You going? God bless.